Good morning, all of you. His Excellency Ambassador Retired Lalit Mansingh Ji, Chief Guest for today's inaugural function. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor Retired Madam Sabita Acharya Ji, Professor Patita Pawan Mishra, Chairman One Asia Foundation, Professor Padi, the architect organizer behind this function, distinguished guests of the dais, delegates from 6 countries. We have Nepal, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, also Bali includes Indonesia, members of media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives immense pleasure to be here as a guest and also the organizer behind the scenes for this 3rd edition of Kalinga and Southeast Asia, the Civilization Connect. Friends, as we are here, as Professor Pawan Mishra said, that we are here not to eulogize ourselves, but to sift through the facts and get the evidence where the Kalinga was and how did Kalinga culture influence and document those. We are in the midst of a big revolution in the state of Odisha, and what I have seen, I would like to make 3-4 comments so that the people who are from Odisha, I guess there are about 600 delegates, out of which 282 are here from outside Odisha, and others are renowned people, professors, academicians, researchers, scholars from different universities and academic institutions. So the primary focus is academic content here, academic discussions and gathering evidence. And this present government has come, and one of their big focus is Odia Asmita. And to paraphrase in our bureaucratic language, what we should feel proud of, that unless a society, its own people feel proud of their own land, own culture, I think that history has shown that that land somehow is left behind. Wherever you go, when the Europeans went to United States, they built United States in a way that, but they also keep their own culture. If you go to North America, even Canada has the French and the English traditions. They maintain it. We are also seeing that when people from India, whether they are from Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Odisha, they go there, they also have their own cultural institutions, they also keep there. So the culture somehow is inherent to the human mind and to the area, and we must do whatever our best as the government to preserve, protect and take pride in our culture. It's not to propagate a religion, it's not that. It's to be proud of your own culture, and in the government side, we are doing our best, and all of you, I know, and even personally me, I am waiting to hear Your Excellency Ambassador Lalit Mansingh sir. So I would be very brief. I had prepared a very long speech. I will not go through that. All I have to say that the proceedings of this conference would really be an instrument of policy making for us. We have already done, renowned firm McKinsey is preparing a document. We have already, we are in the final stages of giving the policy action. I am sure that today's discussion and the books release, they will be also a part of the evidence building. As you know, from the government side, we have had huge increase in budget provisions, and we are going to, it's possible, we have planned to do this annual conference. We also want to hold this conference abroad, provided we get that adequate support and the clearance from the Ministry of External Affairs. We have already tied up with the Indian Council of Cultural Relations, and in various universities we are also making for the Odia language chairs. With BHU, we have recently signed MOU. With JNU, we have already done it, and we are continuing that. So the lot of the spectrum of language, literature, and the whole culture, we are going to do it, and all of us have to work together. In this world, again, whatever you work, your presence should not only be in the physical world, but also in the virtual world. That is the internet. So on the internet also, we are going to focus how the Odia words can be there. Today, you go and try to translate a Odia, particular paragraph and try to translate into the language, then you find it, slightly more difficult because the number of words have not been entered in the Unicode format into this. So for that also, we are setting up Odia Translation Academy. We are going to focus on that. So various other works we are going to do in the course of discussion in the morning. Ambassador Mansingh was just suggesting that why don't you put some research, input into the part of the policy. Sir, I can assure you that we'll take that factor very seriously, and we'll include that so that our researchers can go abroad and do research about Odisha's traditions there, and so also the inflow from the outside. A lot of things to discuss, but I will be meeting you in the course of discussion in the academic forum, and I wish this very high success, and building on this success, if we are able to make a good policy, then all of us would be collaborators into this, Kalinga and Southeast Asian tradition. Both Kalinga and Southeast Asia, if you see, we are actually, believe in culture, and we are like a soft, power countries. You see any Southeast Asian country, how they have maintained their cultural aspects. Indonesia, even being a, Muslim predominant nation, how they have preserved the drama traditions and all, like Ramayana, Mahabharata, all these things. So principally, I find that this region has a different prospect. Odisha, we had Buddhist, Jainism, we had all the origin, and this land is, after all, our God is named Jagannath, the God of the universe. So our tagline is also, for those who have come from outside, the India's best kept secrets. Our tourism tagline is India's best kept secrets. I truly believe in that. How can people who stayed here name their God as the Lord of the universe? That thought itself, will make you think deeply. We could have named it Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, some name, but it is Jagannath. So then whenever my friends, to end it in a soft humor, whenever my friends talk about, ये क्या है उड़ीसा, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, इतना अच्छे लोग हैं, इतना ये क्या है. So I used to tell, भाई उड़ीसा का समझ नहीं पाओगे. That is why you have said India's best kept secret. And to understand our Lord, I used to joke with them, first understand universe. Whenever जगत को समझ नहीं पाओगे तो जगत के नाथ को क्या समझ पाओगे. जगत को समझने टाइम लग जाता है हमें. So this is on a lighter note I am sharing with you, and thank you very much. Any problems, you can rely on us. Our department officers will be there. Any problems, I hope your stay is comfortable, and do visit people, places. We have tremendous, cultural, textile, handicrafts, all these things. You will have a pleasure, especially those from outside. Thank you very much, and we eagerly look forward to hear our chief guests. Thank you, sir.